Beautiful bullish week for crude oil again. We expected that 74 level 73.8 to give a very strong support. Precisely it has achieved, and the beauty of the rise is that it has got the resistance again at the same level 76.8, 77.2, and it has achieved the highs here. Now also this is the highs of this bearish channel. Now what to expect next week? Can we expect a breakout, or we can again expect it to retrace? Which position you should take trading crude oil next week? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end. Before leaving the video, just press the like button. That will be a great support and motivation. Also do share, subscribe and comment, and pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for crude oil. Nobody gives you twice a day analysis with the targets. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. So do watch those analysis as well. Let's start. Let's begin with the daily charts first. See, on the daily charts you can see the bottom was created here, and since here I told you that it is a breakout and it could continue on the upside. Now if you look at what it has done, it has created a bullish channel on its own. Rise here, retracement to the bottom, and now again looking upwards. Now the highs of this channel are situated at around $80 levels, and also the bigger hurdle here is the 76.8, 77.2, which is also the top of this bearish channel, and hence any rise above 77.5 levels you can expect. Now see, 77.5 and 78.5 zone, if these two are taken, you can expect that oil is definitely going to hit $80 levels. Now observe these two candles getting the support at 73.8, which was here the resistance. Now it has become the support. With that as support, and also this is a twin bottom, with that we have seen this trading bullish. That is first observation. Second observation here is, see, in this candle the prices got a pullback and it stayed bullish. Also lower lows, lower highs. This was the first bullish candle here after this slight breakout. But here now again it is closed below 76.8, the critical levels, and this is also indicated the diminishing body size, that is the bullishness have diminished or reduced here. So first thing is, for the next week I will first wait for it to break. If it continues its downward journey, wait for it to break below 75.8 levels, then only little more bearishness can be expected. Below 75.8 you can expect 75.5, 75 as the greater support, and then if it breaks further, then 73.8 levels. Chances are less, possibly a little retracement till towards 75 cannot be denied. However, it is still going to remain a very good support. Second is to stay long above 77.2 and expect 77.5 specifically, and 78 levels, 78.4 levels, very good resistance. Beyond that it is going to hit $80 levels here. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Also on the daily charts you can see this zone and this zone almost at the same levels. It is getting a stronger. See, this was the support here, this is the resistance here, this is a very important resistance, and then 78.4, and that is why I said this zone is going to be important for oil here, else 80 is a must. Now look at the weekly charts. Also one more observation on the daily chart. See, this is a breakout journey, it could continue for a while, hence be careful. Now coming to the weekly, see, on the weekly charts it has stayed there bearish for a while. It is consolidated here with the bottom at the bottom, and now it is continuing its journey on the upside. Now continuing its journey on the upside, it is bound to create a symmetry here. Now it will take, it can take couple of weeks, or it can happen in a single week also, or it could take a month, but this is almost certain here. You have to be watchful, careful with the short entries right now. It probably, once it stays above 78, then I will look for 80, and then I will look for 80 to 84 levels. Be careful. In fact, this time it will try to achieve higher highs also. This is also very much likely. So this suggests that oil is on its upward journey so far in the near term. Now look at the weekly charts again more closely. You will find this is the, first of all let me show you the near term. You can see oil is trading in this bearish channel for a while now, but the important point is, see, almost on these occasions it has achieved the bottom. This time it is precisely reversing from the median. This indicates bullishness. Second is, now this is almost at the top of the median of this channel, and hence beyond this I will be looking forward to this zone in the near term. When I say near term, it will might take a couple of more months and maybe 3 to 6 months also, but this zone is almost certain. If it stays above 78-80, I will look forward to 90 to 95 zone. So this is what I will be looking forward to in the near term. That is my expectation. Coming to the monthly charts now. Also, now let's observe the last week. See, last week also it was bullish. Higher lows, slightly higher highs were seen. This is suggestive that the bullishness here is diminished, and the resistance it is getting on the upside is very very strong. Hence, it has to stay above this zone here at 77.2 definitely, beyond which 78, and these two levels, if it breaks past by, certainly you can say that we are going to look forward to another round of rally here. Else, four rise, couple of retracement till towards 74, 75, and then the rise also cannot be denied. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's come to the monthly chart. See, on the monthly charts, double bottom almost, then higher lows here, and if you draw a parallel to this line, you will observe, see, this is almost at the peak here, and hence for the month of July, we have to be watchful till this zone 77.2. Definitely it is a greater resistance which it has achieved. So for next few sessions, it may try to show a pullback till towards 75. This is also very much possible before resuming its upward journey in the next month, where we may see increasingly bullish candle. And now this is also the top of this bearish channel. So on the monthly charts, see the top of the channel here, it is at around 78. So this zone again going to remain critical. And also on the daily charts, it is almost at top, so we have to be watchful here. Now yes, a breakout is what I will be looking forward to. Any rise above 78, certainly one can stay long. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicator. Now, if you look at the indicators on the monthly chart, see, higher lows are seen. At the same time, now it is almost approaching the 20 months moving average, situated at around 79.5 levels, beyond which certainly little more bullishness can be expected. Right now, oil is trading in the bearish territory, and it requires lot much of effort for this bearish momentum to go away on the monthly charts. It is right now very much uh, it is still in the bullish territory. That is what I mean. See the 20-50 period moving, 100 period moving average lying over one or the other. The prices were divergent from the moving average on the monthly charts, you can see, and that is why we can see the conversion here. Now it is again trying to resume its upward journey. Potentially it could also achieve the double top levels, but let's watch out more. Yes, it is still bullish here, and it takes a lot much of effort here to for the bullishness to go away. Conversion crossover on the downside. Stochastic flat on the monthly charts. The MACD, now see MACD on the monthly charts, you can see, let me show you something. See the first wave, see the second wave, and now the third wave is about to begin here. We have to be careful for the next few months. We may see increasing bullishness in the crude oil. Be careful here. I am warning now in advance. RSI looking upwards here again. Coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly chart, see the 20 and 50 period crossover here. This is also the bearish sign here. Since then we have seen the bearishness in oil. Now that 50 and 100 is also crossed over. Now see, after achieving a bottom, now the weekly moving averages have started to look upwards. I will definitely wait for this crossover on the upside, and then the moving average to start moving up, which means lot much of bullishness is required from here. Most importantly, the stochastic on the weekly charts have come to overbought levels. You can see how it behaves at these levels. It stays there for a while before falling down. So couple of few more weeks for bullishness, possibly at around 85. That is what it will try to achieve, 84, 85, then try to retrace and then break out again on the upside. Now see, on the weekly charts, one more important point is it stayed here at the bottom for weeks. Now it is resuming its upward journey. It has lot much of upside, potentially at least till plus 15 levels, at least if not plus 100, which indicates that the bulls are back for the near term in oil. RSI is looking upwards also. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the moving average crossover 20 and 50 and 20 and 100 crossover here. Good bullish sign here. See, this was the earlier crossover. Prices stayed bearish. It tried to drop till towards 64 and now looking upwards again. See, this is crossing over after multiple weeks and months, and possibly this could, and see the slope here. This is aggressive, which means it could continue on the upside for a little while. The support now is very important till 74 72 zone. This is the most important support level. Any retracement below 72 is where you can say that the bears will take care, or bears will take over the charge here and going to crash. Till 72 there is no bearishness. One can just close eyes, stay long in oil. I will be looking forward to 85, in fact 95 levels in the near future. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week so that you can trade profitably. And before I provide you the, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Only few seats are left now. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Remember, this mentorship batch has tools, techniques and strategies for specifically curated for you to, in order to become an efficient trader. Identify the moves, identify the market trends, identify the support resistances, identify the profitable trades and become an efficient trader. Reach out and see, the strategies are specifically curated after years of experience, so do not miss this opportunity. Now let's have a look where to buy. As I said, you can stay long above 77, but then 77.2, this is rather, I will say, see 76.8, in fact it's a buy, but then still 77.2. This is the zone where we have extremely important resistance. In fact, the next resistance is also 77.5 and then 78.4 levels. Now if it breaks past 78.4 levels, stay long in oil. We are going to look at 80, direct 80.0, and if it stays above 80, you can expect 82.5, 83.8 and then 85 levels. Appears the numbers which are very near, very easy, but remember what we are talking about is a 10% rise in oil, and now we have seen days when we have seen 5 plus 5% in a single day also, and we have seen it crashing minus 5% a single day, and hence everything and anything is possible. But most importantly, we have to wait and watch out for how it behaves first at around this zone, then next at this zone. Beyond this, certainly the bulls will take over and it is going to fly high. Take your positions. Now, on the downside, let's also have a look at a sell, because see, this is also important, equally important. Markets may try to first trap you on the downside before looking forward to a rally. And hence, you can sell here at 76.5, but then 76 ultimate and 76 and 75.8, very good support here. I will tell you, this is the first important support zone. Then the next also is very nearby, and the next also is very nearby till 75, till 75. Very important support levels for silver or for oil here. Below this also, the next support levels at 74.5 and 73.8. Only and only if you see oil trading below 73.8, you can say that the bears are back and just stay short. Possibly 72 73 zone is still, I expect that it is not going to break. Oil is not going to break now 70 to 73 levels. This is my expectation and as per my analysis. I don't run markets. Any bad news can affect it badly and it can crash again also, and hence all this analysis will be doomed and you can say it is of worthless. So please, yes, the expectation is on the one side, reality is on the other side. Always work on the reality. However, the analysis works, and definitely as per my expectation, it should not hit 70 to 73 levels in the near future. Possibly we are going to look at more bullishness. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, folks. And yes, press the bell icon. Also, you should join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.